Welcome to week 9, and in this week's lesson we're going to work on point view of a line. Now up to this point we have been dealing with oblique lines and planes, and more or less an oblique plane or line is one that you can't see in true size or shape in any of the 6 multi-views. Now today we are going to take and look at how to come up with a point view of a line. Now, this isn't too difficult at all compared to what you've been doing as far as true length of lines, but this will be very important later on down the road when we start getting into having to find the true shape of planes, and this is just getting us started. Now, if you look at your screen, I've got everything labeled, and you see like this little edge right there would be 1. Over here on the top view you have that would be 4, and you kind of match them up here. Now when we talk about a point view, what we're talking about is, for instance, we're looking at the front here. This is the top, front, and the right side, of course. We're looking at this little corner here. Now it says 1, and when this thing makes its turn to the top, when it hinges out, you'll see right there is 1, that point is same as this one, and there's 4. Now this line right here is what you call an edge view. Okay, 1 to 4 is an edge view. That's a line right there. So basically, whenever this thing hinges back to the front view, this would be 1-4 point view would be right there, and it would be just like going here and grabbing yourself a point and putting a point right there. That would be the point view for 1-4 would be at this point right there. So really that's what we're trying to do, and you can see already that we do have an oblique angle. This line coming down through here, it just like you just took at an angle and chopped the side of this little block off, and this was coming down at an angle, and then you look up here, it cuts back that way to angle, and this is just the right side view to show that. So this is just a little flat plane here. I want to show you how to find the point view of a line. It's real simple, and I want to take and provide myself some room. I want to move this thing over using ortho so I can keep it all straight and in line. And basically I want to start out, and I want to put a fold line. This would be my fold plane. Whenever you have this in the front view, think about your glass box, and this would be my edge. This would be where my hinge is that opens up for my top, and we'll use that to do some measurements with. But for right now, let's go ahead and I'll show you how to do this. Basically what you're going to have to do is, I want to find the point view for 5-2 for this line. See, 5-2 up here would be from there to there, and from here to here. I'm trying to find the point view of it. Basically what I would do is just come out and put you a line, just a straight line like this, and extend to it. Click that and then extend that one out to it. Now once you extend that out, you got to put you a well, we could actually use this line that's already here. It doesn't matter. Go into your parametrics and use your perpendicular. Catch this line, then this line, and see how it moved it in perpendicular. I'll just cover that up. Now with that in there, I'm just going to take, you can leave this line in there, and basically all you're going to do is come up here to annotate, use you a dimension, and you're going to go off of 2, because this line right here, you're going to have to use the top view to find the length off of this. This right now would be our fold plane. It'd be the same as this. It's just a fold plane, and we're just going to go off this fold plane to that fold plane. It says it's 0.3887, and 2 and 5 are on the same distance away from that fold plane. So basically I use my offset a lot when I do these things. Just do an offset of 0.3887, enter that in, just offset that. Now, your point view for 5-2, according to this fold plane line, these reference points, would be, we'll turn my format on, point style, let's turn our point style on, let's put a point on there, okay, and I want to hit draw, point, right there is the point view of 5-2, or 2-5, either way you want to say it, but that would be the point view for it.